Polling for second phase of 17th Lok Sabha Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency election ends with a 74.76 poll percentage. And scuffles ensue between BJP and Congress workers at polling stations of Kairao and Andhra Assembly constituencies. Repolling likely. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Polling for second phase of 17th Lok Sabha in the Manipur parliamentary constituency election, which started at 7 a.m., ended at 4 p.m. amidst chaos and breaking down of EVMs today. Voters' turnout was last recorded to be 74.3%. A total of 9,28,626 voters, including 4,47,843 male voters, 4,80,751 female voters, and 32 third gender were eligible to exercise franchise at 1,300 polling stations in 32 segments of 4 valley districts to decide the fate of 11 candidates. Among the eligible voters, 8,838 were service voters. EVM malfunctions were reported at various polling stations, including polling station number 11/1 of Tera Amudon Leirag in Sagolban constituency. Amidst tight security, controversy of proxy voting arose around noon at Kiamgai in Kairao constituency, where people even rampaged to the polling station and broke down EVM. Scuffles also ensued at polling stations in Andhra constituency. Repolling at 19 polling station of Outer Manipur, a parliamentary constituency in Ukhrul, Senapati, Churachandpur and Chandel district also ended smoothly today. Massive state and paramilitary forces were deployed to ensure peaceful polling in every polling station. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla exercised her franchise in the second phase of the 17th Lok Sabha election Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency election around 7:10 this morning. Being the first governor of Manipur who got enlisted in voter list of the state, Dr. Najma Heptulla expressed happiness for being able to exercise her franchise at 11/34 Tampasana Higher Secondary Model Polling Station in Sagolban constituency, which was manned by all women polling personnel. Speaking to media, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla urged all the eligible voters to fully exercise their adult franchise. She maintained that choosing the right representative is at the fingertips. Stressing the need for a free and fair election, she urged the public to cast their vote prudently and bravely. The governor also called for women folk to push aside stereotypes and participate in politics and decision-making of the state.
This is an adult franchise that we got. Many countries had to fight for their vote, especially for women. Many countries, advanced countries, women had to fight for their vote. But our constitution has given adult franchise to men and women both, and we must use it. For the government formation, who should be ruling, who should be representing us, is within our fingers.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren cast his vote at his home polling station number 2/16 Shrivan High School in Luangshangpam, Mamanglekai around 9 a.m. today. The Chief Minister was accompanied by his wife. 147 voters out of 335 voters enlisted in the polling station came out to cast their votes until 9:30 a.m. No agents of any political party except for BJP polling agents were present at the station. Medical booth was also open in the polling station. Speaking to media, Chief Minister N. Biren said that elections decide the fate of democracy. He appeals to all the eligible voters to come out and exercise their franchise.
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯩ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯔꯨꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯝꯅꯔꯨꯔꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯑꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯕꯨ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ.
Today's Inner Manipur Lok Sabha polls went smoothly at Haingang High School polling number 2/26, Haingang Assembly constituency in Imphal East. Voting was halted at around 1:30 p.m. as VVPAT slips finished. Polling then resumed at 2 p.m. Voters were given extra time to cast their votes, ensuring high voting percentage at the polling station. Voting at polling number 1 by 13 and 1 by 14 of Yumnam Kuno Junior High School in Kundrakpam Assembly constituency also went smoothly today. Kundrakpam MLA cum former Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar cast his vote at home polling number 1 by 11 at Sagolmang Primary School. Voters' turnout was good at the polling station. Polling also went smoothly at polling number 1 by 15 of Harauro polling station and polling number 1 by 18 of Chinku polling station. Polling agents of BJP, Congress, CPI, NAIDP and independent candidates were present at the polling station. Voters told Impact News that they will cast their valuable votes for an eligible candidate who can solve prevailing issues in the state.
Ladiba Ziki Kenose Isuchibu Kenotobungam Gadaba, Ian Rubungam Gadaba, that will quickly live back it can be Miwe to do in a dog.
Cambodia and then I water a hand was a manure, although I apam Kalaga Tadrame.
Koi Pazagi, Tungda, Taba Ingang, Notona, Torkataba Mida, when Nuana Tade Hater. A top of patrician is Isha Ishana, Masi the Combo Comdaba, Koi Mayang with Shanabi, they Tungi Kanota, Tabangang Torkataba, Kolakata candidate Kalaga Ishana, Masipot PPG Haina, Ayumota Humming.
Polling also went peacefully at polling station 529, 5 by 30, 5 by 27A, 5 by 26B of Tongju Assembly constituency. BJP inner candidate R.K. Ranjan also voted at his home polling station 5 by 37 Kongba Nandaybam Lekai this morning. R.K. Ranjan was accompanied by his mother and wife. People lined up at the polling station to vote before 7 a.m. today. Apart from polling agents of Congress Party and BJP, no other polling agents were seen till 8 a.m. Speaking to media, R.K. Ranjan expressed firm belief that BJP will win with majority in this Lok Sabha election and that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be back as the country's Prime Minister. Expressed firm belief that he will become an MP representing the state after the poll. R.K. Ranjan assured to work for the empowerment of youths in the state by taking advantage of the fact that Manipur lays between SAARC and Asian economy internationally recognized zones.
Aigi apopi imana aigi polling station phawbo thindok phiraga aigi loina biga punna vote thadabasi asuki matik nungai aduga imayana puraga lakpasina aduga aigi loina biga punna lakpasina BJP gi whole family do solid oina kare hani solid oina approach to busi yam nungai.
Congress inner Lok Sabha candidate Oinam Nabakishore also cast his vote at his home polling station 26 by 34 in Ningthau Khong of Bishnupur district. People of the district also came out early to vote at their respective polling station. Polling went on peacefully at polling station number 26 by 3 and 26 by 5 in Bishnupur constituency, manned by all women police personnel. Oinam MLA L. Radakishore also exercised his franchise at his home polling station. Independent candidate R.K. Somendro alias Kaiku exercised his franchise at his home polling station number A 9 by 12 Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai at exactly 7 a.m. this morning. Speaking to media, Kaiku asserted that Lok Sabha election is an important election. He added that people are eager to choose the best candidate to represent them.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ MP election ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ MP election ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ MP election ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯦꯛꯁꯤꯃꯝ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁ ꯚꯣꯇꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟ ꯅꯛꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯅꯔꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯅꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯀ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯅꯔꯒꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯠꯇ
Rashtriya Janahit Sangharsh Party RJSP inner candidate Senjam Nandeshwar also voted at his home polling station 9/17B Khoyathong Polem Laikai this morning around 8. Speaking to media, Senjam Nandeshwar assured to fight against Citizenship Amendment Bill and Armed Forces Special Power Act and to strive for implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur if he wins the election.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯔꯦꯁꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 13ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯪꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯔꯦꯁꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 13ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ
Northeast India Development Party NAIDP inner Manipur parliamentary constituency candidate R.K. Anand exercised his franchise at his home polling station number 21/4 at a regular English school in Haino Khongnembi around 9 this morning. R.K. Anand was accompanied by his wife and children. Speaking to Impact News, R.K. Anand expressed contentment over smooth conduct of elections under Election Commission of India, Manipur at the station.
Positive way the outcome should be very positive. The Jati Sigi saying that Thada board Thada Kanisukali, the Thada any IDP party the yam ahead when it's a Salakane have weapons saying and Tazes a habitat. Positive way the out.
Voters thanked polling and security personnel for ensuring peaceful conduct of election at the polling station. They urged other eligible voters to choose the right candidate to bring development of the state. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on scuffles at polling stations of Kairao and Andro Assembly constituencies. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Re-poll for Inner Manipur parliamentary election is likely for 2 polling stations of Kairao Assembly constituency and Andro constituency. The 2 polling stations are 6/10 Kiamgai Muslim South A and 6/20 Urup Muslim Kunau LP School. Scuffles occurred at 6/10 Kiamgai Muslim Madrasa High School South A over charge of proxy voting soon after 110 individuals cast their votes. Enraged voters vandalized EVM and pelted stones at the windows of the polling station. Polling officers were also assaulted in the incident. CRPF personnel blank fired to control the mob. 6 persons sustained minor injuries in the scuffles. Congress and BJP workers got into scuffles soon after 570 voters out of the total 672 enlisted at 6/20 Urup Muslim Kunau LP School cast their votes. Voting had to cease as security personnel deployed at the polling station were unable to contain the situation. Angry mob broke down EVM at the polling station. Very few polling agents were present at polling stations of Kairao and Khetrigao Assembly constituencies. Serial number 1.
Nangu hapa iba mido kanano aina taba nangu chese kana pirapke ana hangbane adu masu ma haiba ngamdaba ikhoina samai tano hang bang to bisida BJP ge leru mayam jida engona chokselaktan phuge na ka torokbane moina haibana aina election dis ai mini manga su pha ponte kaitang tawriba do peaceful oina conduct tawna ba khona ba ikoi dadi ma hariba polling mafam sida mi se mahut sindra vote se thadare habigi report si laeba ima amana haibado aige muktadi kano lawre aduga vote thada 100 thokro na tawre na haisibo evidence later reporting.
Congress candidate Oinam Nabakishore charged proxy voting at polling station 6x6 Kiamgai Girls Lower Primary School, Kiamgai Mamang Lekai in Kairao Assembly constituency. Speaking to media, Oinam Nabakishore claimed that some unknown agents attempted proxy voting at the polling station. BJP workers allegedly threw out two Congress agents from polling station 7/39 and 7/40 of Nongbrang and Nongpok Kaithelmanbi in Andhra constituency today, while one voter sustained head injury upon being hit by BJP workers. Congress candidate Oinam Nabakishore, MLA K. Ranjit K. Meghachandra, former MLA M. Okendro and many Congress leaders inspected the situation. Speaking to media, Oinam Nabakishore stated that BJP workers chased Congress agents out of polling stations 7/39 and 7/40 when the Congress agents tried to stop proxy voting allegedly carried out jointly by presiding officer of the station along with BJP workers. He said that a complaint will be filed to the Election Commission for repoll.
BJP की मीशन पोलिंग की कनो सिदा EVM सिदा मोइगे प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर सिगा मानरगा नमना रिपीटेडली नंबर सिदा मसिदी कनो तौदरे है माने येट पने बा हुजी के जादू मनी सिना एस जादू मनी सिना 7/39 सिदा अदोदी BJP की मोइ वर्कर खरना मा से मंगक संपाय न कॉलर पाइ चिंगथो ए नंग कई येट पे याबा खोपराना अदना कोइना हारि मफम दुगी तुजु प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर द कंप्लेन तौजरा में हाइदि पोलिंग जी खुदक तोपियो रिपोर्ट तौबियो है कोइ हाइरे इलेक्शन कमीशन की ऑब्जर्वर द कोइ रिपोर्ट Similarly, 7/40 दूसरों सब माने है impersonation थोक मुझे कि आरिबा BJP की कने workers सिंचिना तोड़िशु बाबा.
Meanwhile, victim Akoijam Acho alleged BJP workers of taking away his rights to vote. He rebuked that security personnel at the polling station remained a mere spectator. He expressed disappointment that Congress agents at the polling station, Namairakpam Angauton and Sanabam Jadumani, were driven away by BJP workers when they tried to stop proxy voting.
Yaning the Mamishan and Potata saying one mobile coaching to it. As a vision of BJP Patalo, Rajamnishina, Sindoka Ansida, Aina, Kitan Waruja, and I want to do Wagi Kundi, maybe you could the Obigunu. Hi, Madame, I give no idea. Okay, Tabi Besako teaching in the Waru Karale. Could the Obino, what you got this have you had a drag of Lam Santana, when a lam Gigusumlea.
Saigi polling station, the presiding officers, I complained of the Suntatavi the Haitare. Other the Aira, interlated and I took Seracone. Pung Taretka, Mitronga, Kunmanga, the Tokone. I come out to get me mode Sangapa, Amane Hanzalagan number, Mimi, Kudang Pari, Singilan number, doom the palms of the gay. Mafamzi, no Poketem and Biggie primary. School 7/40
Thada masi isa isa ki right chap chana mi ama masa masa ki saktak check pura aga thada biu wana haire wan ama gina aikhui gi ejel ama bhau phamba yaro hane moi gi tan thokre aikhui gi namdar aina phame ona taina ba saktak check pura ga moi chang pada aina yaro ina tan thui khare amok niom chumna ahum mari muk chang me adui matung ama muk nipa ma chang e adu kanda yaro haraga masa gi aseng man namamaga ma nang khangani haire maga thokre aduga minute manga amuk leiraga nupi tare nipan chang e pa khre yaure aduga nipa khre sina nang tholoi ai ke bi thok tunai ni aikoigi isagi rat chap chana vote si thada siaraga noina sauri kari marong ai thoi hai matamda aigi bhabi hariba nipa sina ai gala paire chingthue nang sida leibe yaro agent phamba yaro hen adui matung na leraga samjai hariba nongbrang khulgi club ki secretary sina ai muk chingthokpani mathangda expert han rajamni aingonda kolang moi ahumna mapanda puthue maji BJP ki group ni.
Inspecting the situation, MLA K. Ranjit mocked the situation in Andhra constituency, condemning proxy voting by proscribed groups under SU and underground groups in hill districts. He appeals to carry out free and fair election.
ngasi androda leiramiba phibam sidi chingda tawriba kuki gi jagadana kuki suda leibna namba aduga naga gi jagadana khoi NSNI na moi kano da namba praja gi right phanganda aduga chamana ba andro gi kari bo ji honorable minister oirise ma si khoi gi chingi type ta selected member amane na adumaina itri tawi haitar democracy gi karingam ta leite after all he is minister amu raga ma gi kendra da somaina khoi nampu sapu da tawraga tawba haibase mana karai bo vote sidi ngasi gi si yengroga khoi nampu hapu da ka ba aduga ta sengna ma se elected member nate masi selected member na admine thamjage.
On the other hand, CPI candidate Dr. Moirang Themnara was not even allowed to enter the set of polling stations 7 by 39 and 7 by 40 by the locals. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Moirang Themnara expressed disappointment over the incident. He stressed the need to conduct repolling under tight security at the polling stations.
It's a like war field. Jang kano ko thok tok jari haibagi bhapta leredna ai tomte chappada changbiru no haiba moina maramdi ai di security khara khaktani confront over lanban dawna tawba. We have to report to the election commission. Si chakhibaga personally aisu moju laws tawgre si repoll natan upali repoll with proper security. Yeah, we will properly report to the election commission. Thongju kendra da koi agent phamande gai gumba yam thak nem graba CPI agent tangthoko gai taw mantri ma samak laktra tawi gai gumba tabad nuai taw agent phamanda ba gai tawsi yam thak yam nem gre. I feel ashamed of it. Hojiki tangkak sidabu mantri naga agent phamanda na mai mi khaktam phamanna ba honai gase sidi haibu da haininga letre ne ko ikai khangda ba hidak leiti eduni.
BJP spokesperson cum Works Minister Thongam Biswajit refuted all the allegations of proxy votings and threats to polling agents by BJP workers in Haingang, Andro and Thongju assembly constituencies in today's election. Biswajit warned of filing a defamation lawsuit against CPI if it fails to clarify its allegations against the BJP regarding the same. The Works Minister expressed firm belief that BJP will emerge successful with majority in today's election. He added that agenda of BJP is to bring development in every aspect. He reiterated that BJP has never discriminated anyone on the basis of caste, creed or religion.
Thongju Kendra Amadit Kendra Honorable CM ki Kendra Amadi Sam Honorable Minister Sam Kumar ki Kendra da aikogi leiriba agent sing aikogi threaten tawi natraga akoina proxy yamna tawnana ba hone haibasi karai da kari da yumpham yaurga haibi bano haibaduma madu CPI gi leiriba machin chatpa mi oising ne sengtokpi ba chungani na akoi lawi natraga de akoi madugumba natai cha da praja da lan uhana ba pot padu madu akoi la hain gi hona bigi matungina akoi defamation suit tawgani haibasi akoi gi gona warep oigani.
Although Jiribam has become a full-fledged district, fire service facility in the district remains a substation. Jiribam Fire Substation, inaugurated by former Education Minister T.H. Devendra on June 11, 1984, is in a deplorable condition. Despite repeated pleas, relevant authorities failed to upgrade the fire station and its infrastructure. Staffs of Jiribam Sub-Fire Station told media that they are facing immense hardships due to lack of adequate manpower, proper building, equipments and vehicle services. They appeals to the relevant authorities to look into the matter without further delay. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullahi extended heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially to Christian community on the holy occasion of Good Friday, which falls on April 19. The governor said Good Friday is observed to remember the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. She urged everyone on this pious occasion to uphold the noble ideas of peace, harmony and brotherhood espoused by Jesus Christ for a better world, and wished everyone a happy Easter in advance. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren greeted people of the state, especially Christian community, on the sacred occasion of Good Friday. Chief Minister in his message stated that Good Friday is a holy day which symbolizes the supreme sacrifice of Lord Jesus Christ for the humankind. He added that crucifixion of Jesus and resurrection on Easter Sunday are manifestation of the triumph of good over evil. He said in the present times there is no greater value to imbibe than that of forgiveness and brotherhood amongst all, irrespective of religion, caste or creed. Chief Minister Biren called for rededicating to the noble ideas of love, peace and forgiveness for the strengthening the bond of brotherhood and unity on the holy occasion. Now the sports news. Al Amin Lilong and UCC Uripok defeated their opponents in the first MCA Under-16 Boys Naurem Raj Ningtho Singh Memorial Trophy. In the 10th league match played at Langtabal Public Ground today, Al Amin Lilong batted first, scoring 168 runs for 8 wickets in 30 over. In response, YWC Langtabal scored 80 runs for 10 wickets in 21 over. All-rounder of Al Amin Lilong, Jamir, scored 31 runs and 2 wickets to back man of the match Man of the Match title. In the 11th league match played at Hainobog Cricket Ground, Oscar Pauna Kaitel scored 77 runs for 18 overs with 10 wicket down. UCC Uripog responded by scoring 78 runs in 15 overs with 2 wicket down. All-rounder of UCC Uripog, Arvin, scored 16 runs and 2 wickets to bag Man of the Match title. The tournament is held under the aegis of Manipur Cricket Association. Al Amin Lilong will meet UCC Uripog at Hainobog Cricket Ground, while PTCC Patsoy will meet TC MDC Tongju at Langtabal Public Ground in their respective matches tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Polling for second phase of 17 Lok Sabha in the Manipur parliamentary constituency election ends with 74.76 poll percentage. And scuffles ensue between BJP and Congress workers at polling stations of Kairao and Andhra Assembly constituencies. Re-polling likely.